Whether investigating a murder or burglary, giving first aid, stopping a fight, or simply patrolling an area to prevent crime, few people are more vital to everyone's safety and well-being than police officers and detectives. Patrol car police, however, are only part of the story. Some officers work behind the scenes as experts in firearms identification, handwriting and fingerprints, or microscopic analysis. Others are members of special emergency response teams. After 3 to 5 years of experience, some police officers may be promoted to detective. Operating as plainclothes investigators, detectives gather facts and collect evidence for criminal cases. They interview witnesses, examine written records, conduct suspect surveillance, and interrogate prisoners. It goes without saying that the work of both police officers and detectives can be dangerous. But people in this line of work have the satisfaction of knowing that they are making their cities, towns, and neighborhoods safer for everybody.